That vehicle pulled back up there in the front, way in the back. This person has been there a long time from previous video. These girls coming out of their car from the side, looking back. So they're trying to be inconspicuous, and then this guy comes up and hands them a paper. Then he goes back over there. So all this is where my daughter is working. So they're trying to probably form their stalking group up in there.